welcome back to Creecher Toys. And today we are doing mystery items. And so I already printed the first mystery item, and it turned out actually pretty cute. And it's this little cannon with these 3 balls, but they stick to there. And so I think that was adorable, but it says it's going to be 15 minutes. It took about 20. So the time's also a mystery. And so now I am going to add this to the jar later. And I'm going to give you guys a quick reminder on how to change your filament. And we are going to be printing mystery item number 2. So press remove. Okay. Pinch your 2 biggest ones back here. Then remove the color. And then you always want to put your sticker on the outside so you can see your sticker. Plop that right in and put this down as far as it's going to go, and press insert. And press insert until you can see the blue on this, and that's where the pliers come in handy. Hi everybody, we are officially getting the green out because you have to get all the other, so before we had a green in here, and so you have to get all the green out until you can see the color, which in our case is blue, and a lot comes out. Alright, it all came out, and it's a lot. So now I'm going to wait for that to dry, and we are going to be printing mystery item number 2. And so now I'm just going to take this. And I'm going to show you guys how much came out. Our before color, our after color. Together makes one huge glob. Alright, now we are ready to print mystery item number 2. And I'm hoping this is not above an hour because I'm not very patient. And print. So looking that the outline is in our rectangular, I will see you guys after this, whatever it is unprinting. Our print is done, and it came out really nice and clean, and but in the making of it, our bed lifted up a little bit, so I think I may have to clean, I have to clean this after. And our mystery toy is banana! I literally had no idea what this was going to be, and I never would have printed this. Banana. I wish I had a minion right now. Banana. So, as you can see, it came out nice and clean. There are some webs in between, which I'll have to clean out later. But I think it came out.
Hold it up again. What do you notice that's interesting about that word?
Banana? There's two ends.
You never know what you'll get with a mystery toy, huh? You might get a misspelled banana banner.
So banana's supposed to be a B-A-N-A-N-A. But then as you can see, that's not there because there's a B-A-N-N-A-N-A. The exclamation point. So it's banana. It's surprising. Like, I wasn't expecting a misspelled banana banner. But that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching Creecher Toys. See you next time. Bye.